Want to double your deposit on 1xBet? Here's how to get up to 200% bonus in just 3 steps. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Step 1. Register a new account or log in into existing one. Step 2. Before making your first deposit, enter the latest 200% promo code. To make it, go to Menu, Other, Promo, scroll down, Promo code check, and enter here your promo code. Step 3. Deposit the amount you won and watch your balance double instantly. For example, deposit $100, get $200 bonus, so you start playing with $300. Just make sure to check the wagering requirements and deadline to use your bonus. That's how you maximize your bankroll right from the start. And if this video was useful, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.